Alright guys, welcome back. Uh, this is basically our not educational video. It's just an introductional video that who we are and what is our group and what we guys are doing in our trading experience. So we did a wonderful 2018 year is going to be end, and our journey 2018 from January to December. God bless our group, because all our experts, traders, new beginners and others have a look together that what we do in this wonderful year, and wishing our 2019 will be more wonderful, I hope, with a bag of lots of pips and happy pips, and God bless you all. So let's have a look to our group, and this is our group. Well, we have too many groups like 2 and 3 or 4, but the major group is we are going to invest our money and invest our time with lots of wonderful guys. We have 108 people in this group, so its name is Investment, and it's basically on Hangout. So in the link below I also mention you the link. Those people who wanna join us and want some learning, educational, mostly for the beginners. So don't waste your money and don't waste your time here and there, because in this group you will definitely learn so much, because there are so many experts in it. Well, I am a student, I am a little guy in it. So let me show you that this is our group, and how we do, how we fight and we love each other. And you see this, we also share our experts and our trading experience right now, that what we are going to do like this. And you see that these all gray boxes are my predictions. So I also do some wrong things and some good things, because trading is not everyone is perfect in it. So you see, this is our style of making channels, and then good morning to all everybody, and then everybody is with us. So in this group, it's a very lovely group. So you see now here, I share a chart on, I don't know, on I think in November I make this chart, that this chart shows me a Elliott wave, and we see some waves in future. Now this is the pure scalping structure which I make in a video of scalping strategy of magnetic lines. You see the perfect, how perfect it done in the next picture. You see in next picture the trade just go to this point perfectly. So these types of things we have. So I hope that in our group you will learn more and more. And there are a lot of people, 108 people from a globe. That means it's not like a room, it's just like a globe. It's a world, and each country contain a trader, a good trader, a beginner and a learner. So mostly we are all we are friends. So you see our predictions, we just share. Now here we show the divergence, and we also telling the time. So lots of things here. So it's just our introduction, that who we are and what we do here. And we also share pictures, and then also we share that current affairs of the finance in our country, that what's going on, and dollar is raising and dollar is now falling, and these type of structures. So you will be enjoy all these things. So I hope it's not a lecture or an educational video, it's just an intro of me and my group members. And I wish you all a God bless, and we have a wonderful time we spend together. So in 2019 we have our aims, we have our goals, and we will achieve them, and I know them, inshallah. So thank you so much, and we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.